Hi, I'm Devanshi.
I'm Manoj.
So, I am basically the founder of a new age food brand, and we create things that can be made very easily and quickly.
Okay,
We love our product, but we are unsure how to begin with it. Can you help us with it?
I think I can.
That's interesting.
Here comes the role of brand positioning. We'll discuss it out in our podcast what brand positioning is. Positioning means what you can put inside the minds of your customers regarding your brand or your product so that they need to decide when they quickly need such certain product which matches the need from your positioning sentence, then they will go for that particular product. So basically, it is vis-a-vis competitors and the benefit you are offering it to them. Now, here the important thing is the point which Devanshi was making, that she is having a product which is very easy to cook and very quickly cooked. So, do you recall that we are having one product in market which is called as Maggi, and how it was launched initially? Initially, it was launched by having positioning that homemade, hygienic homemade snack, which is there for convenience for everyone. But it didn't work. Then they repositioned it with 2 minutes Maggie. Now, see, the punchline and the positioning was such that it was always mentioning fast to cook, good to eat. Now, here comes the role. Now, homemade hygienic homemade snack and fast to cook, good to eat. Compare yourself, which sits here easily. It is fast to cook, good to eat. What reflects that we need to storm over our brand positioning statement with our team. We cannot sit back and only decide a sentence or two, which can, in our opinion, is brand positioning statement for our brand. No, don't do that. Please discuss it out, brainstorm thoroughly, and come to a conclusion with the everybody's opinion involved, that how is the positioning statement is finalized. Then there comes the role of all the marketing activities besides that. So first of all, what is important to know is that whether your product which you are bringing in is for the first time in the country, or it is amongst many products already available in the market. So if it is for the first time, then positioning becomes a very easy aspect, that you are offering something new to the customer for the first time in the country. Highlight on that aspect and go ahead. But if it is amongst many, then you need to do a lot of research work, lot of hard work, lot of brainstorming, because it is not easy. And why it is not easy? Because on this statement, positioning statement, which is a sentence or a two, which offers your differentiating points vis-a-vis competitors which are already available in the market, and at that same time, simultaneously solving the problems of the customers which they are experiencing with the existing product in the market. Whatever the case may be, we need to discuss it out. And remember, when you discuss it out, discuss all the pros and cons of the various statements which are coming in the brainstorming session, and then finalize your brand positioning statement. An important parameter which we need to keep in our mind while finalizing the brand positioning statement, that emotion works. And positioning is highly related to emotions rather than the facts or statistics or other things. Because stop here for certain seconds, and whatever products you may be using, think it over. Why do you purchase only that brand? Is there any emotion associated in it? Think it over. Then again restart the video and watch it. You know why? Emotion attracts our attention. that you just tried it out. Many times, even in our normal life, also, we see that emotion works. And that is why positioning is highly related to emotions. Now, let's see certain examples through which we can understand how does it work. I'll just discuss it out firstly for the pharma industry that suppose there is a tablet, maybe for any disorder. If it offers certain benefit over competitors which are already available in the market, then that is where the differentiation between your new product and the available competitor products lies in. And you need to work upon a statement based on this particular difference. Because in pharma companies, what happens is doctor writes the product and then the prescription is being taken by the patient to the medical shop. And from there, the sales happen. Another example we can see of SBI Bank. Earlier, it used to be a traditional bank, but now they have repositioned themselves. And how? They have repositioned into a modern and dynamic bank, and they have understood the importance of time for their customers. Now, today, high-tech savvy people like businessman and industrialist and common man like us are also using the services of SBI Bank, and they are offering nice services now. So it is all case of positioning, and we need to see when we go to the bank next time that have they changed certain things over there? Have they made any dynamic changes in the environment? Like, say, for example, in case of Haldiram, every one of us might have visited Haldiram. They are known for their snacks, sweets, and namkeens, and frozen foods, and the restaurants which are available in the various malls and in the market. Now, how they have positioned themselves? They have positioned themselves as far as the sweets and the namkeens and the frozen foods are concerned in case of unique packaging, and in the case of restaurants, they have positioned themselves as a family atmosphere over there. So we can go along with our family completely and then enjoy the time with our family or the quality time with our family. So we need to be observant when we are there in the shop or in the market. So these things, they should be at the back of our mind, and then you can learn so many things. There are so many examples. Honda cars are there, value of money. They and another important thing is that if you are finalizing your statement of positioning on the basis of quality, then you need to be authentic. You cannot just say that our quality is the best and whereas your product is not. No, that should not be done, because ultimately it will destroy the business and you will never get a sale out of it. So you need to be authentic. There are parameters on which you can position your statements, like quality or pricing. If I tell you that I am going to buy Mr. Manish Malhotra's designer clothes today, what does it highlight? It immediately reflects in the mind that the dresses are going to be costlier ones. It will be highly priced. So this is how the positioning statements, they help you in entering the customer's minds and brain and sit over there and ensures your continuous business every time whenever they need certain products. So this is all I just wanted to discuss about positioning in brief, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. So if you have enjoyed the video, please like the video, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the same. Thank you.